Here are 10 advanced two-part phrases in English. Number 1. To weigh the pros and cons means to think about the advantages and disadvantages of something before making a decision. For example, I need to weigh the pros and cons of buying a new car or keeping the old one. 2. A slap on the wrist. That means a very mild punishment for doing something wrong. For example, he only got a slap on the wrist for cheating on the exam, while his classmates were suspended. 3. A taste of your own medicine, which means to experience the same unpleasant treatment that you have given to others. For example, she was always gossiping about other people, but she got a taste of her own medicine when someone spread rumors about her. 4. At the end of the day means, in summary, after considering everything. For example, at the end of the day, we have to do what's best for our customers. 5. For the most part means mostly, generally, with some exceptions. For example, for the most part, I enjoyed the movie, but some scenes were too violent for me. 6. It's a gray area means something that is unclear, uncertain, or open to interpretation. For example, whether or not you can use your phone during work hours is a gray area. Some employers allow it, while others don't. 7. Crystal clear, which means very clear, easy to understand, or obvious. For example, the instructions were crystal clear, so I had no trouble assembling the furniture. 8. To crash somewhere means to stay overnight at someone's place, usually without prior planning. For example, I was too tired to drive home, so I crashed at my friend's house. 9. All in the same boat. That means in the same situation or facing the same challenges. For example, we're all in the same boat here, so let's work together and find a solution. 10. An arm and a leg. That means a very high price or cost. For example, this dress is beautiful, but it costs an arm and a leg. I can't afford it.